So just following on from the previous video where I explained that accuracy is how close it is to the true value, precision is how much it goes up and down, reliability is repeating, and validity is whether the experiment is valid or not, saying what you say it is. I was hoping to create just an easy way, the main ways you change experiments and the word that most goes with that. But I actually found that for many of them, the way you explain it, the way you're looking at it, you can actually apply almost all four of those to any particular change. So I've just got 4 or 5 of the major changes you can do, modifications, and how to justify them. This goes for evaluation as well. So this one's not like most of them. So increasing the number of trials, that really is just increasing your confidence in the accuracy of the average and the precision. It's not really doing anything. That is a good thing, especially if you do have a lot of human error, as we say in there, which is some random error going on. It helps you really understand how much of that random error is there. It doesn't normally do anything to improve reliability or validity, but with any particular experiment, it could just do. So you need to explain it clearly. So this is actually the trend. Increasing the range is the other really common modification you should make, and it actually applies to all of them. So the accuracy and validity of the scientific relationship is explored if you extend the ranges to see how far it goes. But the reliability often of methods is limited to certain concentration ranges, and the precision of a particular method often increases or decreases at higher or lower ends. And that may be of particular interest to you for a particular application. So you really need to actually just be smart. I can't really just give it to you. I thought I could, but I can't. Obviously, increasing the number of trials, increasing the range is standard procedure for modifications, but you really need to think about which of the key words, accuracy, precision, reliability, or validity, makes the most sense, and state it very clearly, like I have in some of these sentences here. Another sort of change that you must always do is control your variables. No one's actually really doing it. No one's really testing to see the temperature is the same before and after. And again, this does all 4 of them. So reliability, it's more reliable because you know that the controls are what you say they are. That will improve accuracy. It could actually lower the variability to increase your precision. And there might be a major issue with the fact that one of the control variables is actually running away. And so it is actually a complete validity issue. So be completely aware of that. That one's a good one for evaluation too, I guess, post measurement of controls. And so another major one here is if someone's doing the same experiment as you, change the chemical, and you can still do the exact same thing. So in changing the independent dependent variable, again, is looking at the validity or accuracy of the relationship. But you can look at the reliability with different chemicals. Is it the same for all chemicals? Is the precision the same? Does the physical and chemical interactions different for different chemicals that have different chemical physical properties that match up differently with the physical and chemical methods applied? And so you still need to think. I can't really give you one of those keywords for any particular type of change. And so this is another sort of easier one to do as well, a better balance or whatever multimeter. That one's a rare one where I can't see it improving anything more than the precision and accuracy of your data, and that still needs a better explanation. And last of all, changing the method is another major one. You need to be sort of creative about why you would do the same experiment with a different method, and that could easily talk about accuracy, precision, reliability, or validity. So you have to you have to work out which one is the most important thing for you to talk about in your rationale/methodology. All right, so I didn't really get what I was wanting to get, but that's I still need to give you the story so you can still do a better job, and let's raise the bar, okay? Please leave a like if you found that helpful. Bye-bye.